Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Bullseye Nate 231, and today we're going to be changing this tensioner pulley, and actually the whole assembly. This is a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, and we're going to be changing the idle pulley. The location of those, I don't know if you watched my previous video on how to decipher which one of these is bad, but this is the idle pulley right up here at the top, and this is the tensioner right here. As you can see, it's squeaking. It's kind of wiggling on the shaft, but it's hard. It's really hard to turn, so it's close to locking up and starting to burn my belt up. But also, we're going to change the whole assembly, so it's going to be kind of difficult to get to. I'm going to try and get the best footage I can of this. It's going to be not going to be able to film a lot probably while I'm taking the actual bolts off, but I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I'm doing, so that way you can do this adequately yourself. We are going to have to probably, it looks like one of the bolts that attaches to this tensioner assembly is connected to the alternator as well. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right in, so we're going to have to move that. Alright, so first what we're going to do, since we're going to be messing with the alternator, is we're going to disconnect the battery. Alright, we'll just push this to the side, so that way it doesn't reconnect on us while we're doing that. Alright, so the top one right here is going to be really easy. It's basically just a 14 millimeter. So we're just going to get it between the fan shroud there. And this wrench is real nice, or ratchet. It's got an extension on it so that I can get some more torque. Just like that. We're taking this one off. Alright, so basically we're just going to loosen that bolt all the way. I'll do it with my hand so that I don't drop this down in there. This belt has been replaced. I did check the belt for cracks. There's no cracks or anything. The belt's not all dried out, so I went ahead and didn't get a belt with it. I just gonna keep the old belt, which that belt's only a year old or so. So almost there. It's kind of hard to work because of where you're at too. Alright, so I've got this one off. Alright, so you'll notice that, sorry about this, son. It has a cover on it. We're going to keep that cover. The cover's going to go right back on the new one. Keep the trash and stuff out of there. So, it's the front side. Make sure you put it the right way. You got the front is going to have this little bowl so that this thing will fit in there. And then the back is going to have kind of a deeper section, kind of, as you can see, goes in. So the cover, make sure you put it back on the right way. So the shallow side is the front, the deep side is the back. So, alright, and then we're just going to go ahead and put this one right back on where we took it off. Alright, so I went ahead and turned off the camera because I didn't want to accidentally drop the belt tensioner or the idle pulley down into the engine. So I wanted to use two hands to put it on. So we're going to get it good and tight, snug it up, have it loose. You can see this little shroud on the front. That's to help keep dirt out of the bearings. But we got it good and tight, and you see it's spinning free now. There's no noise, there's no wobble. This one is real noisy. I don't know if you can hear it. There's a plane flying over right now. But anyway, this is the old one. Still spun pretty good, but it's starting to get noisy. So that means the bearings are failing inside of it. I'm thinking that the one down here is the one that was really giving me all the noise, because it's pretty bad. It hardly spins at all. You can see how free this new one spins. Spinning nice. That one down there is shaking on the shaft and squeaking a little bit. And, so this is going to be kind of hard to take apart, and do, but we're gonna do it. So that's how you change the top idle pulley on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. This should be the same. This is a V8, but if you have a V6, it should be somewhere right around the top. The idle pulleys are normally up top. And this procedure is going to be the same for 2003 all the way to 2009. So I don't know which vehicle you have specifically, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this video here, and I'll post a link below of how to change the tensioner assembly. We'll do a separate video for that because that's probably going to take a while, a lot longer than this took. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and be sure and check out my next video, part 2, where we change the whole assembly.